Hello, everybody. Welcome to High-Tech Solution. This video is Windows and install complete process step by step. So, this video is not going to be the same. So, Windows 7 is Windows 8.1 use of Windows 10. This is the other reason that Windows 10 clean installation. So, this video helps genuine Windows 10 system installed. Blank pen drive is 8 GBK. So, total steps, you can see PCL laptop, Windows 10 clean installation. First step, Windows 10 bootable, and the second step inserted Windows 10 installed and specifications in PC laptops. So, screen Windows 10 installed. Minimum system requirements are in the video pause. Windows 10 download and bootable pendrive media creation tool downloads media creation tool. Download Windows 10 disk image download tool download complete. A media creation tool right-click and run as administrator per click. User account control permission setup ready for time Liga to wait. License terms accept processes fast forward processing. Yes, second option, create installation media for another PC. Next per create is box language or edition default here. Yahoo architecture selected system support. And my computer is PC right-click properties per click. This system type PC laptop is 32-bit support. Next per click, this is the USB flash drive. Next per click open PC laptop refresh drive list per click pen drive, so select and next per click Windows 10 download hogi. Windows 10 download enough internet data hona chahi downloading process 100% hone next process Windows 10 media create honey dono process 100% your flash drive is ready finish per click and laptop Windows 10 install file explorer and pen drive open to files although this method pen drive bootable nahi hoti hide a Rufus software bootable bana socked high video link. Description ready USB ports 10 clean installation Windows install this PC laptop important data to backup PC set down and turn on the PC start hook quickly up F2 key barber the BIOS setup open Haga laptop barber F2 key now hold up now F2 press can BIOS setup open nahi hoda hida this other keys Google PC model boot menu key pada karsokt or different brands PC models and motherboard's boot menu screen so holy book bootable devices up down arrow bootable pen drive select and enter the select. Installation process start to press BIOS setup so left arrow boot menu boot order change boot options 1 par jai select car and kbat enter the bind and bootable pen drive select car key filter enter the